Hi everyone, I'm back again today. Got another softcover fall journal for you. This one is put together as a kit. So before I show you everything that's going to be included with it, we'll do a quick flip through of the journal. Here on the cover, got a little pocket there if you want to place a tag or something in there. A little wooden leaf and a little silk leaf there all over a paper doily. One signature, like I said, soft cover, so it's 2 layers of heavy cardstock sewn together. And these sari silk ties here have been sewn in between the layers of cardstock, so they are not going anywhere. So this is the last of that lovely little paper pad I had. The only embellishing you're going to find in this journal is the edging that I've sewn on the papers here. The rest of it has been left blank for you to embellish. So we've got a good variety of papers here and lots of different sizes. So I'll just quickly flip through all of those so you can see them. Okay, this is the center of the book. This could go a couple different ways. You could put glue here on the top and the bottom, and you could use that as an envelope, maybe even punch a little half circle right there. You could put a closure on it. Yeah, like I said, and use it for an envelope, or you could put a closure on it and just use it for a flip out for writing. Yeah, you can do all kinds of things with it, or you can cut it out of there and not have it in there at all. Okay, and there's just a piece of paper here. It's a little bigger than the others, so folded it up for that. So several pieces of that cute cardstock in there. They'll make good base pages for you to put pockets and whatnot on. It's the other side of that envelope. And there we are, last page. Okay, and then there is some fabric back here. I've sewn the signature through the fabric, so that will help sturdy that up a little bit there. All right, so what is included with this little book? I'll leave that right there so we can still see it. It wants to pop up though, doesn't it? All right, you are going to get 4 pockets already made for you to put in. Now I've not distressed the edges in case you don't want that, but I have sewn around the 3 sides and punched a little tab there. I have scored and put on score tape for you. This is that super strong score tape. Okay, so those are ready to just peel and stick. So there's one pocket. Here is like a tuck, like for a corner. Okay, like a folder. Okay, so there's a second one. Dog snoring. All right, there's another pocket. So this would be a corner pocket. Okay. And another pocket here. You could put either way. So these are already pre-scored and already have the adhesive, so ready for you to stick wherever you want to. So those extra scrapbook papers or whatever that are in here would be great places for you to be able to put the pockets. What else we have? I have pieces of trimmed scrapbook paper here in a variety of patterns. So these are the little acorns, and here's another one with little acorns. This one's like wood grain, leaves, and some of that gold. And these I have already pre-taped with score tape for you, so they're like using washi tape. Okay, so those are ready to go for embellishing. I have cut out for you 4 tabs of the pattern paper. So these are ready to distress the edges if you want to, but they're ready to just put glue on both sides and put them on the pages of your journals wherever you want them to go. So there's 4 tabs that you'll be getting. I have some pattern paper that is already cut into tag shapes, and then also included are these longer strips of paper. These will be great for cutting those into tags. And then I have some larger square and rectangle shapes that would make very good cards, journaling cards for you to put in the pockets or paper clip in to the journal. So I've just got those cut and ready to go, or you can use them for matting photos. So those can all go in your journal. I'm throwing in 2 of my grungy paper clips. They're not real shiny, they're kind of grunged up, but they're not rusty. Okay. Also this little brown paper sack. It has a little journaling card in it. Okay, this little paper sack is little. It's the size of my hand. Okay, that's going in. Oh, I will include this with your tags and paper pieces here. They're just hole reinforcers for when you do a tag. And you punch your hole so your threads don't pull through. So I've already inked those up for you, and I'll send those with that. I've got some ribbons and trims here. So I have 12 inches of the brown, the maroon, and the yellow, and the orange coordinating ribbons. 12 inches of each one of those. 12 inches of this gold trimmed orange ribbon, 12 inches of this twine, 6 inches of this little tan ribbon here, 2 pieces of this burlap that you can use for collaging and layering. There's, I don't know, about 6 inches, a little more than half a foot of this trim, which is what I used on the edges of the pages. And then this trim, which is what was used here on the spine. Little random piece of sari silk, like what's on the ties. Okay, so that's good for, collaging on tags and the corners of your pockets. You'll also get 2 of these little silk leaves, like what's on the front cover. And you will get 4 of these colored wooden leaves. They're real thin. Okay, and they're just like what's on the corner here. So you'll get 4 of those to embellish your journal with. You'll also get 2 of these pumpkin cards. Make great journaling cards. Paper clip in or stick in your pockets. So you get 2 of those. And you will get 2 of these, 1 yellow and 1 orange journaling cards. Okay, you will get 1 of these napkins. It matches all of this really, really well, so you can use this if you want to decoupage for your tags. So this is a 4-sided napkin, so you'll get 1 of those. And then you will get 1 of these, also matches really well because it has the acorns and whatnot, and this is a double-sided napkin. And it has kind of the wood grain there, like some of the paper has. So coordinates really well. So you'll get this and that and all of this and the journal for the price. Oh, one more last little thing. Almost forgot these. And then these are for fussy cutting out, and you can use to embellish the journal. So here's a little owl. You can cut around him. Little pumpkin for fussy cutting. Here's 2 little pieces of pie that coordinate with the paper. You can cut around those, and the pumpkin, and you can cut around that. So These are all good for embellishing your tags and your pockets. So you will get that whole bundle for the price, and I'll get this listed on the Etsy shop really soon. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Speak to you all very soon. Happy crafting. Thanks for stopping by. Goodbye.